Hello everyone! Welcome to the second episode of Astrocast 101, a series of videos designed to guide you through Astrocast products and services. My name is Janani and I will be walking you through the rest of this video. This video is a follow-up to a previous video, Send Your First Message to Space. So if you hadn't already checked that out yet, I highly recommend doing so. And in this video, we will tackle the following. What is a Wi-Fi board and what you need it for? And how to use your Wi-Fi board to simulate a satellite communication. In order to try this video out at your end, you would need the following: an astronaut dev kit which contains a Wi-Fi board and the FTDI USB UART cable. You would then need a computer with Windows 10 or above and the astronaut GUI installed in it. And lastly, 2.4 GHz access point. And for all those Linux or Mac users out there, don't you worry, we got you covered. We provide some Python examples on Astrocast GitHub. You will find the links to those in the description box below. Let's kick this video off with the question, what is a Wi-Fi board and how can you benefit from using one? Well, the Wi-Fi board is a 65mm x 63mm module that has interfaces like UART, RS-232, GPIO pins along with the Wi-Fi module on board. This Wi-Fi board allows you to establish communication between your asset and the Astrocast backend through the Astrocast network without having to actually wait for an actual satellite pass. As the Wi-Fi board has the same electrical and communication interfaces as the satellite board, you can use this board for faster prototyping and development purposes. The data you send via the Wi-Fi board can be visualized in the Astrocast Portal or retrieved with the Astrocast API as if they had been sent over our satellite network. But in fact, your messages were actually transmitted over Wi-Fi. The setup is quite simple. Take the FTDI USB UART cable and plug the USB end to your computer and the FTDI end to the Wi-Fi board. Now launch the astronaut GUI and choose the right COM port. Once the right COM port is selected, you should see the device name as Commercial Wi-Fi Board along with the firmware version, module GUI and the module serial number. Optionally, you could enter your latitude and longitude information and have it added along to your data. In this video, this information here will remain empty. You will then have to configure your Wi-Fi network. For this, enter your SSID and password in the given fields. In addition to this, you would also need an Astrocast token. If you do not already have an Astrocast token, we will quickly see how to create one. In order to create an Astrocast token, you have to log on to portal.astrocast.com and sign in with your credentials. Scroll down to the Access Token section. Then, click on the plus icon to create a new access token. Now enter the access token's name, the expiration date, and the role. You can find more information about the roles in the portal under Administration Roles. Now click on Create. Your access token is now successfully created. Copy this access token. Now come back to the astronaut GUI and enter this copied access token in the field named Astrocast Token, and then press on Set Wi-Fi Config. With this, the network configuration is done. You can enter your message data in the text box here. This data message can be up to 160 bytes. Clicking on this little message icon will enqueue your message. Once your message is queued, this circle gets filled with green. And in your log, you can see that the module is trying to send your message to the network and is waiting for an acknowledgement. Once the message is acknowledged, this is indicated by the green full circle next to the ACK as well as the log showing ACK is equal to 1. Congratulations! You have successfully transmitted your message through the Wi-Fi board. As said earlier, these messages can be visualized in the Astrocast Portal. Let's go check that out. Once again, let's go to the Astrocast Portal. Click on the messages in the side panel. See your messages in the list. When you click on the eye, you can see information like message GUID, message created date, received date, length of your message, among others. On the right side, you could also visualize the message in ASCII, hexadecimal, or in the base64 formats. With this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below or write to us at support@astrocast.com. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one. Bye!